Today, I'm going to be sharing everything you need to know about how you can have beautiful long hair full of shine and elasticity. Now, really quickly, if you are a curious person such as myself and would love to learn at least one new fact each day, whether it is to enhance your personal relationships, finance, professional life, health, and much more, you have come to the right place. 90 Days to Beautiful Hair by Crystal Agu offers a wealth of insights for achieving healthy, beautiful hair. Here are some of the main lessons from the book. 1. Understand your hair type. Knowing whether you have straight, wavy, curly, or coily hair helps tailor your hair care routine effectively. 2. Scalp health is crucial. A healthy scalp promotes healthy hair growth. Regularly cleanse and exfoliate your scalp to remove buildup. 3. Moisture is key. Hydration is essential for all hair types. Use conditioners, leave-in treatments, and oils to maintain moisture. 4. Gentle handling. Avoid excessive heat styling and harsh treatments. Use heat protectants and opt for gentle styles to prevent damage. 5. Regular trims. Cutting off split ends every 6 to 8 weeks can help maintain hair health and promote growth. 6. Nutrition matters. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals supports hair health. Focus on foods high in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins A and E. 7. Limit chemical treatments. Reduce the use of harsh chemicals in hair products. Look for sulfate-free and paraben-free options. Protect your hair. Use protective styles and cover your hair from environmental damage, especially from sun and pollution. 9. Consistency is vital. Commit to a routine for at least 90 days to see significant improvements in your hair's health and appearance. 10. Personalized routine. Everyone's hair is different. Tailor your hair care routine to meet your specific needs and challenges. These lessons emphasize a holistic approach to hair care, focusing on health, nutrition, and personalized strategies for achieving beautiful hair. Here are some specific product categories and examples. For straight hair, shampoos, lightweight volumizing shampoos that prevent oil buildup. Conditioners, silky conditioners that provide shine without weighing hair down. Styling products, light serums or sprays to add shine. For wavy hair, shampoos, sulfate-free formulas to enhance waves and reduce frizz. Conditioners, moisturizing conditioners that define waves. Styling products, mousse or curl creams to enhance texture without stiffness. For curly hair, shampoos, creamy, hydrating shampoos that cleanse without stripping moisture. Conditioners, rich, deep conditioners that provide intense hydration. Styling products, curl-defining gels or creams to help maintain curl shape and reduce frizz. For coily hair, shampoos, gentle moisturizing cleansers that prevent dryness. Conditioners, heavy-duty conditioners or deep treatments to nourish and detangle. Styling products, thick creams or butters that provide hold and hydration. General recommendations. Oils, natural oils like argan or jojoba for added moisture and shine across all hair types. Heat protectants, essential for any type if heat styling is used. Ago emphasizes the importance of choosing products based on individual hair needs and experimenting to find what works best for you. Always consider the ingredients and avoid harsh chemicals for optimal hair health. Crystal Agu discusses several protective hairstyles that can help minimize damage and promote healthy hair growth. Here are some examples. 1. Braids. Classic 3-strand braids, or more intricate styles like box braids, can protect the ends of the hair and reduce manipulation. 2. Twists. 2-strand twists or flat twists are great for keeping hair secure and can be styled in various ways. 3. Buns. Low or high buns can protect hair while also being versatile for different occasions. 4. Wigs. Wearing wigs can provide a break from styling while allowing for versatility in looks. 5. Crochet styles. Crochet braids or locks can be protective while offering a stylish appearance. 6. Updos. Various updo styles can help keep hair off the shoulders and minimize exposure to environmental stressors. 7. Head wraps and scarves. Using head wraps can protect hair from the elements and reduce friction. Ago emphasizes that protective styles should be installed and maintained carefully to avoid tension and damage to the hair and scalp. Now you need to watch John Maxwell's Ultimate Advice for Young People, or have a look at the secrets of resilient people.